I'm Connie Loveland, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a simple 3-ingredient goat cheese. So for our ingredients, we need a quart of goat's milk, a third of a cup fresh squeezed lemon juice with the pulp and seeds strained out, and then we'll need some salt to taste, and today I've also added in some herbs. So for equipment, we need a stainless steel or ceramic pot, a candy thermometer, a non-reactive utensil to stir with, and then a pot. We'll need some cheesecloth and a strainer. So this recipe is extremely simple. This is my third time making this. So we're going to turn the stove on to a low heat, and we're going to pour the goat milk in here. And we're going to cook this at a low temperature until it reaches 180 degrees on the thermometer. That takes about 10 minutes. So while we're letting that simmer, we're going to take a short break, and we'll be back in just a few minutes.
Welcome back, guys. I'm Lily Loveland, Connie Loveland's daughter, and she's going to answer the rest because I don't remember it, so go.
All right, guys, we have let the goat's milk simmer for 10 minutes. We're at 180 degrees, so we've turned the heat off, and now Lily is going to stir in the lemon juice.
Okay.
Very carefully.
This is very hard.
So as she's stirring, you can see that the milk starts to curdle just a little bit. And so what we're going to do now is let this sit for 10 minutes. And as it's sitting, the lemon juice is going to react with the goat's milk to form the soft curds. So we're not going to keep you here while we're waiting for 10 minutes for this to do its thing, and we will be back in just a few moments.
All right, we have let this set for 10 minutes, and so we're ready for the next step.
All right, so as you can see, there are curds that have started to form in there. The goat's milk has started to separate. So Lily's going to carry this over, and we're going to pour it carefully into the strainer that we have lined with the cheesecloth.
Okay.
We're going to let that drain for just a few moments, and then we're going to tie the cheesecloth up around the cheese curds, and then we're going to let that drain for an hour and a half. So again, while we're letting that drain, we will take a pause so you don't have to watch cheese drain for an hour and a half. This goat making stuff is a long process.
Hello.
All right, we're back. The cheese has set for an hour and a half. We're going to take it out of the cheesecloth and add the herbs and salt.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna break that up just a little bit.
This looks delicious.
We're only going to use about half of the salt and herbs. So go ahead and stir those in, Lily.
Okay.
Just about half.
Okay. Is that good?
Yes, that's good. Okay, give it a good stir. All right, I'll try to get zoomed in here. Move your hand for just a second. We're gonna zoom in so you can kind of see the consistency of it. But you'll just wanna stir the herbs into the cheese really well, and then you can take that and you can roll it into log form and wrap it in saran wrap, or you can leave it in the crumbles like this. It will keep for up to a week in the fridge if you can make it last that long. But so that's about all there is to making goat cheese. Thanks for joining us.